Well, hello everyone. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Kenji Kumara from Sedona, and my partner here to the side of me is Kimberly Meredith from Southern California. And today we'd like to introduce you to a most wonderful retreat that's going to be happening next October 2025 in Sedona at the Global Center for Christ Consciousness in West Sedona. Our dates are October 6th through the 10th. It'll be a beautiful 5-day non-residential retreat. And so we'd like to share with you briefly what the retreat's going to be about. So I will be doing the morning sessions and Kimberly will be doing the afternoon sessions. So we're going to have 6 hours of profound healing and higher consciousness experiences every day for 5 days. So my part will be guiding you through evergreen activations, empowerments, attunements, initiations into not only self-healing, but also higher states of consciousness, 5 dimensions and beyond. And we'll be not only doing group activations, but I will be working individually as time permits with coaching and mentoring. So it's going to be a very interactive experience. We want you to participate fully to get the best out of it. And here's the beautiful thing about this retreat is you're going to go away from this retreat a totally different person. And I know many, many of you are wanting this level of experience. So we're going to guide you and support you and love you in initiating and activating not only your gifts, but your self-empowerment perspective so that you can begin to fully take charge of your life and move forward in these times of the great earth changes and transition into new earth consciousness. Also, you'll get to meet your tribe, your soul friends. And this is very important in these times where we feel perhaps isolated, that you'll begin to meet beautiful, heart-minded people that'll be like you, where you can connect up with them and begin to create community wherever you live. So that's also another focus of this beautiful retreat is to come together in unity, to come together in like-minded and heart-minded souls that you will recognize. That's the beautiful thing. So Kimberly will now share her perspective.
Thank you, Kenji. It's an honor to be working with you on this beautiful retreat. I'll be doing an in-depth talk about the third dimension to the fifth dimension. I'm doing interactive exercises together, chakra attunements, nutritional guidance plans, and medical mediumship readings, and connecting to your loved ones that have crossed over, awakening your own intuitive abilities, and also doing laying on hands activation prayers. And this is truly going to be such an exciting interactive channeling sessions that we'll be doing with everybody. And we'll also be doing some intensive work on learning how to develop your own intuitive healing abilities and deepening your perspective. What is the fifth dimension? And a lot of multidimensional healing work that will be taking place. So this is really going to be an exciting time for all of us to cultivate our abilities together. So I'm so excited about us being together in this week.
I'd also like to mention that those of you that are experiencing, say, your midlife crisis, your Saturn return, your darkening of the soul, your existential crisis, those of you that are working on healing your core patterns from childhood or birthing trauma, those that are wanting clarity on how to take the next step into the fifth dimension, those that are wanting to completely heal their mind-body connection and to bring in their higher aspects, your I am, your oversoul, your soul. This retreat is for you. So you can go to kenjikumara.com and check out under events our October retreat, and you can register through my website.
I would do a little passage activation passage. So let's take a deep breath, and I'm going to do one from my book called The Awakening to the Fifth Dimension. It's called 5D Starseed. We are born a starseed in a third dimensional body. I am a starseed, an angelic light being. We are here on this earth plane. We are sent here to complete a mission, a purpose to help humanity. In the same way, we are star seeds to assist the earth and humanity with the ascension process. The ascension involves raising the higher vibrational frequency to move the mission forward, to shift the consciousness to the highest heart base ascension. When we starseeds see the 1111, we know that we are on the forward mission. We are here as starseeds to move the humanity forward. We are born as starseeds here in the third dimensional body to shift to the highest fifth dimensional consciousness. We're here on this plane to move the world forward. Namaste.
Namaste. And we'd like to leave you now with a suggestion for you after you listen to this to just tune in to your heart chakra regarding this retreat. And if you get a yes, it will be provided for you to be here in Sedona. So thank you very much for tuning in. We appreciate you all. We love you. We support you on whatever you're doing in your life. And have a very blessed day, week, month, year, and life.